Before buying struts for your Toyota Camry, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about the differences that can really affect your ride quality and safety. Product number 1, Detroit Axle Front Struts Kit. First up, we have the Detroit Axle Front Struts Kit for the Toyota Avalon and Camry models from 2018 to 2023. This kit is priced at $228.77, and what caught my attention was its complete design with coil spring assembly and sway bar end links. If you want a hassle-free installation and solid performance, this is worth a serious look. The kit includes 2 complete front struts and sway bar end links. This means you don't have to worry about sourcing additional parts. It's a straightforward, ready-to-install package. Plus, it's vehicle-specific, ensuring a snug fit that enhances ride quality. The 10-year warranty shows that Detroit Axle stands behind its product, which is reassuring. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,800 reviews, many users have reported a noticeable improvement in their ride comfort, especially if they were dealing with a bumpy drive before. However, some users mentioned that the struts can feel a bit stiffer compared to OEM options. Here's the thing though, a firmer ride might actually improve handling and stability on the road, so it depends on personal preference. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade your Camry's suspension without the stress of complicated installation. Skip this one if you're after a super soft ride, as it might not meet your comfort expectations. For the price, you're getting great value with a solid warranty and comprehensive kit. Now, if the issue of stiffness in the Detroit Axle's struts bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Detroit Axle 2 PC Front Struts. Next up, we have another Detroit Axle option, the 2 PC front struts for Camry models from 2012 to 2017, priced at $216.33. What really stood out to me is the quick installation feature. If you want something you can throw on without a fuss, this is worth a serious look. That's a huge relief if you're not a professional mechanic. They're designed specifically for hybrids and non-hybrids alike, making them versatile for many drivers. Plus, they also have a solid 10-year warranty, which is a testament to their durability. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,500 reviews, many users appreciate the smooth ride and stability they provide. However, some buyers pointed out that these struts aren't compatible with the SE submodels, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing, if you have a standard model, this shouldn't be an issue at all, but it's worth double-checking your specs before buying. This is perfect for you if you desire an easy installation and solid performance for your daily driver. Skip this if you're driving an SE submodel, as it won't fit your vehicle. Overall, it's an excellent value, especially for those needing a quick fix. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a more comprehensive suspension upgrade. Product number 3, Detroit Axle Front 12 PC Struts Kit. Now let's talk about the Detroit Axle Front 12 PC Struts Kit for Camry models from 2007 to 2011, priced at $255.35. This one caught my attention because it's a complete kit, which means it covers a lot of ground. If you want an all-in-one solution to your suspension needs, this is worth a serious look. What's included in this kit? You get 2 complete front struts, coil spring assemblies, sway bar end links, and even lower ball joints and tie rods. This is huge because it means you're addressing multiple components of your suspension system at once. Installing this can significantly improve handling and ride comfort. The 4.2-star rating from nearly 2,900 reviews indicates that many users have seen positive results in their vehicle's stability and performance after installation. On the downside, some users have mentioned the weight of the entire kit being a bit cumbersome during installation. Honestly, this could be a deal breaker if you're doing this yourself without assistance. But here's the thing, having everything in one package means you're saving on future repairs, so it might be worth a bit of extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to overhaul your suspension completely. Skip this if you're just looking to replace a single part, as it may be overkill for your needs. For the money, it's a great investment if you're looking for better performance. Now, if the weight of the last kit was a concern, the next one is a lighter option that still delivers. Product number 4, Detroit Axle 2.5 L2 PC Front Struts. Next, we have the Detroit Axle 2.5 L2 PC Front Struts for the 2012-2017 Toyota Camry, priced at $165.38. This caught my eye because of its affordability while still offering solid performance. If you're budget conscious but want quality, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive is how many users reported improvements in ride smoothness and handling without breaking the bank. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. A downside is that some users noted that the struts may not last as long as more expensive options. Here's the thing, if you're planning on keeping your Camry for a long time, you might want to consider investing a bit more for longevity. But if you're looking for a cost-effective solution, this still delivers great performance. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this if you're after premium performance and longevity, as it may not meet those specific needs. It's a great value, especially for those who want to keep costs down. Alright, that wraps up our budget-friendly option. But for our last product, we have a more premium choice that combines quality with performance. Product number 5, Detroit Axle 2 Front Struts. Finally, we have the Detroit Axle 2 Front Struts for the 2018-2023 Toyota Camry and Avalon, priced at $208.89. This kit caught my attention due to its modern design and compatibility with newer models. If you want to keep your newer vehicle running smoothly, this is worth a serious look. These struts come with a complete coil spring assembly, making installation a breeze. Many users have reported that these struts significantly improved their ride quality and handling, which is essential for safety in newer vehicles. With a 4.2-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's evident that this product has been well received in the market. However, a few users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky to install without professional help. Honestly, if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, it might be a bit daunting. But here's the thing, once installed, the performance and ride comfort can be well worth the initial struggle. This is perfect for you if you're driving a newer Camry or Avalon and need reliable performance. Skip this if you're not planning on handling any installation yourself, as it may require some mechanical know-how. For the price, it offers great value considering the performance boost it provides. So to quickly recap, we started with the Detroit Axle Front Struts kit, which is great for hassle-free installation. Then we had the 2 PC Front Struts, perfect for quick installs on many models. The 12 PC Struts kit offered a comprehensive suspension solution, while the 2.5 L2 PC Front Struts were budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Finally, the 2 front struts for newer models provided excellent performance.